Stop thinking about these AI code editors as rivals fighting for a crown because that is a total distraction from what is actually happening on your screen. We have reached a point where the tools we use are cannibalizing each other in the best way possible. You look at something like the standard open source editor we have all used for years. It is free. It is bulletproof. It has a massive marketplace of extensions that have been built over a decade. But it can feel a bit sluggish in the AI department because those features feel like they were bolted on after the fact, rather than being part of the original design. It is the foundation that everything else sits on. Then you have the integration bundled with your premium chat subscription. If you are already paying that monthly fee, you already have a powerful cloud agent ready to go. It handles your pull requests and works on parallel tasks across your files in a way that feels incredibly clean. It catches dependencies that other tools completely miss because it thinks across the entire project at once. It makes the workflow feel seamless. But then there is the new agent first contender called Antigravity that is making everyone nervous. This one is built differently from the ground up. It includes a live browser right inside the editor that actually tests your user interface while you work. That is something the others simply cannot do. You get to watch the agents work in real time. You see them navigate your files and check the live site to make sure everything looks right. However, the pricing is a massive wild card. It is free right now while it is in the preview stage, but there are whispers of a very high monthly cost once it fully launches. It makes you wonder if that level of autonomy is worth $100 a month for a high-tier seed. Here is the thing that people often miss though. Anti-gravity is just a fork of the standard editor, and Codex is essentially an extension for it. We are not really choosing a brand new engine. We are choosing how much control we want to hand over to the machine. The best developers I know are not picking just one. They are building a stack. They keep the standard editor for its speed and reliability. They use the Codex agent for those heavy background tasks. And they experiment with anti-gravity for complex front-end work where live testing is a lifesaver. It is about finding the right balance of layers. The AI is becoming the pilot while we become the air traffic controllers. You need to decide how much you want to manage versus how much you want to type. The standard editor remains the bedrock of everything. The Codex agent is a total no-brainer if you are already in that ecosystem. Anti-gravity is worth your time while it is free, especially if you want to see what the future of autonomous coding looks like. Just be ready for the landscape to shift again by the time you finish your next project. It is a high-speed race. The finish line is always moving. You have to stay fast, stay curious, and keep your tools sharp. That is how you stay ahead of the curve in this industry. It is not about the software. It is about how you use it.